Aloha. We are doing a medley of songs. The first one would be Lehua, Aʻala ka Honua. Our second medley is Nani Mokihana, in the island of Kauai. Our third medley is Ka Loke, for the island of Maui. And we all will dance Awapuhi Puakea. All of the ladies will dance that. And my reason for this, for selecting the songs and the groups, I have three groups of ladies. My first group of ladies, they were like 18 years old. This is like 40 years ago. Then my second group of ladies, they have been with me for quite a while. My third group, they're fairly new. And I just thought, with the theme being Lau Kanaka Kahula E, it would be fun to just do multitudes of people or dancers. And that was my reason for selecting the songs that I did. And of course, they're all beautiful songs. I had to get clearance from all of the composers. Lehua, Aʻala ka Honua was of course by Frank Hewitt, as well as Chinky Mahoe for Nani Mokihana. And the third song was Pata from the island of Maui. He gave us permission to use his songs. So, and it's not easy to contact these people. They're all busy, but they were all very gracious. But it was quite an interesting journey to contact all of these Kumus. Yeah.